Peter Obi won that election by a country mile, but he was not mentally prepared to take advantage of that election. And that, for me, is a betrayal of the thousands and millions of Nigerians, who had pinned their hope on him being the president of Nigeria and had made everything possible to secure that victory for him. But that's a lesson for us to learn.
What do you think
for Nigeria?
What do you think Peter Obi could have done with that result of 2023 presidential election in Nigeria?
Oh no, what he could have done is simple. In Nigeria and anywhere else in the world, it is not the responsibility of INEC to tell you who won the election or not who won the election.
But INEC is the umpire.
Yes, it is the responsibility of the voters to tell you who won the election. And the voters went out to vote, and they clearly voted for a candidate in the election. So it was an obligation on Peter and those who were behind him to claim the mandate that the people gave to him. It was not for INEC to manipulate the result of a voting to declare whoever they wanted to. That's never accepted in any democracy. So if you have to have a democracy, you have to be prepared to go the whole way and defend the mandate that the people have given, because this mandate is not given lightly. So Peter, for me, Nigeria as a whole, and I can tell you that because if you look back now and check, between 2023 and now, how many people have lost their lives needlessly in Nigeria, the kind of economic decline Nigeria has suffered between 2023 and now, you can see the waste that, this missed opportunity has cost Nigeria.
Yeah,